Alright, YouTube, I'm going to do a quick demo. I don't think anyone really got a demo of what I'm about to do. This is a General Signals Type 1 e-bell from, got it from CSX. What I want to show you guys is, if you ever wondered, if you've ever heard of a Type 1 or a couple of them, maybe one might sound a little different than the other. These things have got a chip up top where you can actually adjust the tone, and I want to kind of take you through that. So here we go. Alright, so I got it apart. Basically all this thing is really is a PVC pipe that's all milled out and cut out and put together with the speaker and the circuit board. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. That little thing right there will control the tone of the bell and everything. So here we go. I'm going to take you through a little demo. That's probably what I'm gonna keep it at, right about there. But I thought that was pretty neat because when I had gotten this bell, like I said, it fell off a pole because a semi truck, or no, not a semi truck, a drunk driver came and hit across and knocked it down. This kind of fell off the top and busted on an impact for the ground. So I had to order a new top, get a new speaker. And the speaker was damn near 40 bucks or so. So anyways, I thought that was a volume control, and when I messed with it, found out it did the tone. So anyways, I thought that was interesting. I'd show you all that. I'm gonna put this thing back together and